Packet Monitor shows live BACnet/IP traffic with full protocol details. Each packet shows time, direction, RX or TX, IP addresses, ports, BVLC function, NPDU type, APDU type, and length. Use filters to show only a category, registration, broadcast, forwarded, error, etc., a direction, RX or TX. Select a packet to view decoded details and a hex dump below. You can export CSV for analysis, save capture, save as JSON, load capture, open a saved file, replay selected, resend a packet. BBMD must be running. Clear, reset the view. If you see no traffic, confirm BBMD is running and firewall allows UDP 47808. Now that we've seen what's happening on the network, it's time to communicate with real BACnet devices. In the next video, we'll connect to external devices, perform automatic discovery, and verify device communication.